History of Webwellness business line and business process technologies. In 2017, Business Process Technologies rolled out Webwellness, a unique life extension technology combining tons of innovative solutions. This is the world's only full-cycle system designed for testing and prevention. The Webwellness product range includes the following devices. Life Expert. This device was developed for rapid body scanning by using electrodes. Life Expert measures cutaneous electrical resistance in biologically active zones and, by using specific software, transforms readings into a digital code and then transmits it in the processing server. And now, our algorithm is used on the server to interpret readings, after which a user receives the result on his computer. It is represented as a colorful chart displaying detailed information on the condition of 47 organs and systems. We can see which organs and systems supposedly function within normal range, which of them show hyperfunction, inflammatory or pre-inflammatory conditions, or hyperfunction, chronic conditions. Then the server compares the obtained chart with the chart database containing results of several thousands of patients who were taking their same measurements, followed by clinically confirmed diagnosis. After comparing, a server program selects similar charts that more than 94% coincide with the obtained readings, indicating probability for every disease and pathogen. Life Expert hardware and software system can generate the following reports: risk level for major systems and general condition of the body, chart of the supposed condition of 47 organs and systems, spine, auragram, chakras, likely toxic load caused by various parasites and suggested changes in organs and systems, physiological age. Also, Life Expert has a feature of matching preparations via the built-in or virtual container. A database containing e-copies of various preparations for the virtual container is being ever replenished by the manufacturer. Any company or its distributor selling dietary supplements, cosmetics, foodstuff and the like can apply for adding their products to the database. The manufacturer adds products to the database of e-copies free of charge. From now on, Life Expert can be used as a brilliant selling tool, as now, in the comparison mode, you can showcase to your customer a likely effect of the preparation on his body, namely on 47 organs and systems. The unique features of our system don't end here. When the program addresses the server next time, it analyzes likely diagnosis and composes a unique frequency response complex. The server database contains more than 36,000 diseases and pathogens and 460,000 related resonant frequencies capable of inhibiting viruses, fungi, parasites and bacteria. In this way, you can take your body measurements twice a day and compose customized day and night complexes intended to adjust condition of your body and inhibit pathogens at the early stage of the disease development, thus extending your life. For efficient body harmonization and disease prevention, together with Life Expert, we highly recommend you to use Life Balance device. Life Balance is a handheld device with two built-in antennae that combines features of three different devices: harmonizing, anti-parasitic and energy boosting. Life Balance can both be programmed with automatic complexes and used in standalone mode. The device has 35 embedded anti-parasitic programs, 35 adjusting and harmonizing programs, and Life Energy program. Life Energy is a multi-purpose program for reducing stress and boosting protective functions of the body. By using Life Pro program, the database of which contains several thousands of frequencies of various pathogens, the device's firmware can be upgraded with customized complexes. This is just a small part of the capabilities that the system has. The ever-replenishing and self-upgrading cloud database and AI system that becomes increasingly accurate with every new test help to propel business process technologies to the top in web wellness industry, featuring cloud services and intelligent wellness systems. This system was developed by LeaderMed Bio, a research and development enterprise exclusively for business process technologies. This became a result of multi-year research and 18 years' experience in the manufacture of hardware and software systems and therapeutic tools used in reflexotherapy, bioresonance technology, and energo-informational medicine. Vladimir Chernogubov and his son Yevgeniy Chernogubov are founders of LeaderMed Bio Research and Development Enterprise. They have been joining efforts of medical practitioners, professional engineers and software specialists in their multi-year pursuit to create unique technologies trusted by thousands of customers. Mr. Vladimir is a professional radio electronic engineer with 38 years work experience, a senior reserve officer who started his career in strategic missile troops and worked for the last 11 years of his service as a supervisor on the station for development of the Space Satellite Communications Management System. During 18 years, together with doctors and practitioners working in various healthcare centers, he has been developing and manufacturing devices and therapeutic and preventive tools used in reflexotherapy, bioresonance technology, wellness technologies and energo-informational medicine. Mr. Yevgeniy graduated from the University of Radio Electronics and Computer Science, majoring in software engineering of computer-based diagnostic systems in medicine, and now manages development of the company's software products. He works on self-learning and self-improvement algorithms for body test systems that combine capabilities of the modern computer technology and cutting-edge research of the 21st century. Over the years, they gained a vast experience in mass production of devices. Please have a quick insight. The whole thing started from this small workshop that, due to ever-increasing demand, grew into a big enterprise cooperating with European, Ukrainian and Chinese contract manufacturers of electronic products. All the hardware is internationally certified and distributed in 34 countries worldwide. Join our team that disseminates information and technologies designed to ensure a happy and healthy life to millions of people in the whole world.